-845 on the tick. Apple spiking here a little bit, trying to break pre-market. Nvidia, Amazon looking a little weak. Amazon's hitting 3,200. Got one of the nice puts there. As we said, market looks a little weak. So let's watch the Q, see what they do. Tesla is holding 600 for the moment, trying to form a handle. Let's see what it does here. There goes Amazon forming one. Apple's popping here, Chris. We didn't talk about that, but it looks good. You brought that up earlier. Tesla looking like it could break here, guys.
mRNA is about to break up.
And Tesla calls here, guys, 604. My stop is going to be 602 on this. I'm not giving it much. So let's see where this thing goes. Remember, if you're green, don't let it turn back half on you. So I am in Tesla calls. I'm
Order
up
filled.
$3 in it. We got that big spike in the Qs is why I took it, and we're negative on the tick. So let's just see where it goes here.
Order
Apple is
filled.
gone, Chris, like you talked about earlier. Tesla here showing some weakness at 608. I'm getting out of 3/4 of my position there. I didn't like the weakness. It's looking to see if it holds half of this candle. If it holds half on the 10-minute and goes up, I'll stay in it. If it drops beneath half of that candle, I'm out of that trade. Amazon looking strong here. I expect Amazon to go up, test that 3220. Then we can look at the possibility of taking puts. I am trying to get out of that Tesla.
Order filled.
Now let's see what Amazon does. I'm going to be loading up puts for Amazon, guys. I'm not in them yet. I'm just waiting to see where it's going to go. It does have a solid hammer here. Man, Apple is running. All right, so 3220 is big test here. Let's see what it does here. It blew through that and still running. Notice the Qs hit 300, guys, and pivoted, and Tesla just broke. Watch this Amazon. Let's see if it starts to show weakness here. Did you get puts, Chris, on this Amazon?
I'm sitting in Apple, brother. I've got 4 contracts in it.
Good for you.
Yeah, just gonna sit in that thing.
I'm watching this Amazon here. I'm watching. Let's see if the Qs are going to break through 300. Man, we were spot on with what we thought this thing was going to do. Tick is still staying negative. I'm loading puts into Amazon.
I tend to agree with you.
Zoom does look like it's about to pop. But I do think the market is kind of weak here.
Choppy, choppy. Way green. I don't want to get it back right in the middle of this. Let's see here.
Order
I'm
filled.
loading puts here. I'm in puts in Amazon. 3220 is my stop, guys. I'm not going to give it much. If we see the Qs break through half of that 10-minute candle up, then I will be out of this trade. I'm not going to stay in this, but looks like Amazon showing some real weakness here. We're just not going to let the Qs fire off and take my profit. I'm green in this trade. Tesla looks weak. Way green in this trade now. Let's see if it can go red and break, hit 3,200. Qs need to keep giving it up. I'm going to get out of half this position. Not yet. Let's just see. It's Still looking good here. Looking way good. Let's see what the Qs do. Let's see if they break here. Big inverted hammer. Seeing some real weakness. I wouldn't be going long in anything right now, guys, unless you're doing Roku or mRNA. If the Qs break through this 299.19, we're going to see the market drop here. Tick can't get above negative 400. Look at the Qs, inverted hammer on the 10. Let's see if it breaks. Here we go. We're beneath the stack. We're going to drop here, guys. Here we go. My target's 3,200 to get out of half my position in Amazon. Order filled. I'm out of half of it right there, actually. I'm going to wait and see what the rest does. If it plunges, great. If not, hey, I stayed green. It could be choppy here. I don't want to give up when I'm green. Q still look really weak. Dan, you may be right. We might have our drop happening here quickly. Notice NVIDIA came up, struggled. Tick's trying to come up. We look like we're going down. See the SPY? See the Qs, guys? See the Russell? Order out of that Amazon. Didn't like the hammer forming. All right, that's 3 for 3, guys. So on a Monday, now what am I thinking? Be cautious. Because what happens is, as the morning, as the day goes on, what do you tend to do? You tend to give up your profit. So now my next trade has to be an A+ trade. We're still staying negative on the tick. Amazon may try and retest this 32.28.29, but it still looks weak or sideways choppy, and it may stay pretty glued to this 3,200.
Roku's going to have to come down at some point in time.
Yeah, it does this, guys. Roku's always on my list, but it's not always, high on my list. Netflix is dumping, Roku's going up. Go figure. Not bad. 8 minutes and done, guys. Done for the day. Hit my goals.